Hey guys, so today me ma's going to show you how to make Jung. Please note this is not a full tutorial. So for the ingredients we need dried bamboo leaves, wash it before you use it, mung beans, 5 spice powder, Chinese sausage, lap churn, salted duck eggs which are optional, pork belly, glutinous rice, cooking string, sesame oil, dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, salt, sugar, MSG which is optional, potato starch and mushrooms which is optional. So here we're doing cutting this Chinese sausage into 4 pieces. You can cut them to whatever sizes you want.
Okay.
We're going to cut the skin off the pork belly. She's cutting it into rectangular pieces, whatever size you want. After that, add some cooking oil, add some light soy sauce, some dark soy sauce, add some sesame seed oil, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, whatever mum said, and then add 2 teaspoons of salt. Add 1.5 teaspoons of MSG, which is optional. Add 1 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. Add 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Mix it together. You can use your hands here.
隔一晚，聽日朝早先再做包，就入味㗎啦。要隔一晚嘢。你唐人街買嗰啲又係啊，買翻嚟嗰啲幾磅一條啊！哇，嗰啲五香粉啊，又係好啲重咁。
Put it in the fridge and leave it overnight.
放喺雪櫃啊，放雪櫃一晚，冚好佢，放雪櫃就 OK 啦。
Here we're cracking the duck eggs, and all we want here is the yolk.
好啲，睇得出啊你。係咧，蛋黃。我哋包粽都得嘅。嗱，嗰啲水知嘅啦，嗰啲就白就唔要啦。
Soak the mushrooms in boiling water for 30 minutes. Wash and rinse the mung beans and rice with hot water twice. Okay, I'm going to do a rough translation of what's happening here. When you start off, use the big and long ones first as your main leaf, then twist the leaf. Put the rice in first, at the bottom, then put the mung beans, and after that put the pork in, and then a salted egg, 1 salted egg, a mushroom, 1 piece of sausage, then an extra mushroom, add another leaf, ensure it's connected and extended around, and then put the rice over it on top. Add a 3rd leaf, it's properly sealed and wrap it. Wrap it like this and hold it, and then cover it and then close it. Get it straight, and then tie it up. And then eventually tie a knot.
着條圍巾咧濕晒啊！啲水啊嘛，洗咪嗰啲水。
So here's me trying to make a Jung or wrap a Jung.
係咯，你試下，你買嗰隻
Well, tempting anyway.
揀又逼又啷嗰啲嚇呢隻啦。你知啊，第一塊好緊要。咁啊嗱，你睇到咁樣噶嘛？你係咪睇到呢度？你2/3喺度咁尾嘟嘟嗰度咁樣。最拉屎呢隻
咁嘢。
係啊！哎呦，你唔好太屈得太細啊嘛，大啲。一個船仔咁屈住佢個窿喺度咁樣裝
So
到
I
嘢
need to do like a bigger boat.
你都唔要屈，所以包唔住。
Yeah, so I just took it off me.
咁樣，唔係屈你邊嘅。係咪？我 就話你唔曉啊，唔可以咁容易睇到啊，
does the
就
usual,
曉
just
㗎。
like, yeah,
不斷係俾你醒綁我，等你綁佢。
and then just grabs off me anyway.
你甩晒啦真係。
Yeah, I'll just let her finish it off. She knows what she's doing.
嗱，咪差唔多似我嗰啲啊，係咪？
Yeah.
係咯，冇錯嘅啦。嗰種起碼要2個鐘。
The Jung will take approximately 2 hours and 20 minutes the most to be cooked.
就熟㗎啦。你大條
The
啲咪
big,
耐
they
啲
need
咯，
longer, and the
細條
small
咪快
is
啲。
faster.
起碼都
Still
有
take
2
at
個
least 2
hour
hours.
嘅。嗱喺底嗰
About
啲
1
咧，
at the moment. We'll switch
而等陣
them
咧
to be
調
on
轉
top.
嚟放面啦。
The
而家
ones
底
here
嘅
are bottom ones,
就拎
which we'll
翻
take
嚟。
out.
1個 hour 咁
Now we'll
嗰
switch
啲
them
就
around.
要扁轉嚟啦。等面嗰啲咧
And the
就
top
放
ones
去
will be
底
at the
啦。
bottom.
我而家撈起嚟喺底嘅。唔夠水咧要加
There's
水。
not enough water, just add water. These ones are the ones on top before.
第日錄到俾你老婆睇咪好咯，嗌你老婆。
I think Ma's just being a bit serious here.
咁啊真係㗎，因為你老婆曉識做咪好咯，第日你又識食咯，有仔女有得食咯。如果佢係早娶嘅媽喺度嘅，我實教佢嘅，係咪？
I think because she knows it's going to go on YouTube, she's a desperate plea. After boiling for 2 hours and something, we get to open them up and check out the insides to see if it's cooked. It should be cooked. You can see the mung beans, the pork belly, the mushroom and the lapcha. Anyway, thanks for watching me ma cook those jungs. If you like this video, please smack the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!